Hey, this is Yanni Kifle of Your DMV Team Realty. Today we're talking about VA loans. Welcome back. This is Yanni Kifle. Again, like I said, today we're talking about VA loans. I have Mike Ullmann here from Movement Mortgage. Mike has been instrumental in helping a lot of our clients in this area. So with all the military personnel here, a lot of people don't know that there's a specific program, VA loan, that is specific to them and kind of has some benefits. So Mike, just I guess we'll start off. What is a VA loan in essence?
Okay, so a VA loan, the VA stands for the Veterans Administration. What this is a specific loan for those that have served in the military, and in certain cases for those that have been reserves or spouses of those that have served in the military, where they can get a mortgage through the VA.
Okay, and I guess what are the benefits of getting a VA loan? And what, some of the key points.
Okay, perfect. So for a VA loan, there are a whole multitude of benefits. The first and foremost is the fact that a veteran can put no money down on a loan and have no mortgage insurance. This is the only kind of loan that exists with no money down, with no mortgage insurance. In addition to it, VA loans are a lot more lenient. I say that for two reasons. First of all, the credit scores required are generally lower than those of other types of loans, FHA and conventional. At Movement Mortgage, we can do VA loans all the way down to 580 credit score with no money down, no mortgage insurance. Lastly, VA loans are extremely beneficial in the sense that you can max out your budget quite a bit more than you could on a conventional or FHA loan. Your debt-to-income ratio is extremely forgiving on a VA loan. So basically, you have somebody who's a veteran that can qualify for more money with a lower credit score, and they'll also get a lower rate because veteran rates will typically be lower than FHA and conventional loans.
Yeah. So is there a certain, I've worked with some VA clients where they've had to get like a certificate. Is that something that needs, is there a process that happens?
Absolutely. A veteran who has retired or has left the military would want to send us their DD-214. With that, I'd be able to pull what's called a COE, or a Certificate of Eligibility, and I could see exactly what the veteran qualifies for. If someone's currently in the military, they won't have a DD-214 yet, they can send me an email with some specific information, and I can help them pull their own COE, Certificate of Eligibility, or with the information that I need, I could pull a COE for them.
Okay. I guess some veterans may know, certain aspects of the VA loan and things of that sort, but any other information regarding the VA loan that is key points that maybe that the normal person may not know?
Great question. I would say there's two items that I want to touch on that veterans may not be aware of. One specifically has to do with the idea that if you've already gotten a VA loan, that you do not qualify to get another VA loan. In some cases that's true. However, in some cases it's not true. The VA has what's called a second tier entitlement. That would be something that you'd want to reach out to myself to double check on. I can tell you that I've helped a number of veterans qualify for a second VA loan. Some of the cases have been a veteran bought a home in another area when they lived there. They've moved to the DMV area, or they've lived in the DMV area for a little while and they wanted to buy another home, and they were able to use their second tier entitlement to get a second VA loan. In some cases, you may get the second VA loan and put nothing down again. In other cases, you may put a small down payment. It really depends on your specific scenario. Another piece that I want to touch on that's not well known at all, if you are a surviving spouse of a veteran, you may very well qualify off of your spouse's veteran entitlement. And there's no time limit. If you're a surviving spouse and the veteran passed away many years ago and you have not remarried, you very well will qualify using their entitlement to buy a home. So it's important to talk to a mortgage professional to check to see if you have VA entitlement and therefore the ability to qualify for a VA loan.
Yeah. I doubt a lot of people would know about the specifics of those information. So yeah, I mean, if you have any questions, if you are a veteran or a spouse of a veteran, make sure you contact us. We'll put you in touch with Mike, or Mike contact Mike directly. But again, I know with this area having a lot of military personnel, this might be something that may benefit a lot of people in this area. So if you know of anybody in the military that this might relate to them, make sure you pass on the word. But again, just wanted to give you that information. I'm Yanni with your DMV Team Realty. Mike, thank you so much for that information, and have a blessed day. Bye.
Thank you for having me.